Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay company tax online. First, ensure you understand your company's specific tax obligations and deadlines. Next, gather all necessary financial documents, like your tax identification number and the exact amount due. Choosing the right online payment method is crucial for a smooth transaction. Finally, always confirm your payment and keep detailed records for future reference. Before you begin, make sure you have your company's tax identification number readily available. Accurately determine the total tax amount due to prevent any discrepancies. It's also vital to verify your bank account details, including routing and account numbers, to ensure a successful transaction. Always double-check payment deadlines to avoid any late fees or penalties. To make your payment, first navigate to the official tax authority website. Look for the section dedicated to business tax payments and select the correct option. Carefully enter all your company's tax information, ensuring accuracy to prevent errors. Finally, authorize the payment directly from your designated bank account, following all on-screen prompts. After submitting your payment, immediately save the confirmation number provided. It's highly recommended to print or download all payment receipts for your records. Promptly update your company's financial records to reflect the tax payment. Lastly, review your bank statement within a few business days to confirm the transaction has successfully cleared.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.